welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today's video is a super easy pasta that requires a sauce with no cooking involved. The only cooking you'll be doing is boiling the pasta. This comes together so quickly and it's great in the summertime when tomatoes are abundant and fresh and delicious and sweet. This is, I should say the name of the dish, it's a bruschetta pasta. All the flavors of a bruschetta into this pasta. So let's go over the ingredients. So I have all my heirloom tomatoes here. These are the mini heirloom tomatoes. They're kind of starting to get a little bit wrinkly, so I want to make sure I use these up. But look at how beautiful all the colors are. It looks great in the pasta, and it just adds a lot of just extra flair. But if you can only find the red ones, that works just as well. Of course, some garlic, some Italian seasoning, some good Parmiggiano Reggiano. You want to splurge on the good stuff here. You don't want to get the stuff in the can. You want to make sure you're getting Parmigiano Reggiano. Good quality olive oil, salt and pepper, of course your pasta. I have 1 pound of pasta here, of your choice, and some parsley and basil. I have a little bit more parsley than basil right now because I'm running low on my basil, but as this sits, and this is what makes it so great, you can eat it hot, you can eat it room temperature, you can eat it cold, and as it sits, the flavors just meld together so well and it becomes even more flavorful and delicious. So, I'm going to quarter these tomatoes. If they're very small, you can just cut them in half, but the sauce, the juice from the tomato will kind of help create that sauce. And I'm gonna quarter those, chop up my garlic, cook my pasta, and kind of get this all rolling. All the basic stuff. My water's coming to a boil right now, so I'm gonna put this in there and I'll be right back. So I've quartered all my cherry tomatoes. I chopped up the garlic, the parsley, the basil, and added my Italian seasoning. The pasta's ready and waiting to get put into this lovely bruschetta bath here. So I'm just gonna add my olive oil. Season this with salt and pepper. I also seasoned the water with salt and pepper, which is very important because you wanna season every layer. So adding some to this, not too much because we're gonna add Parmesan, which is quite salty. And some pepper. Give this a quick mix before we add in our pasta. You want to add in the pasta while it's hot. That way the heat kind of activates the garlic and the parsley and the herbs, the Italian herbs that we've added. I mean, look at this already. You could totally just spoon this over some bread and it's heaven. But, and I'm not adding the Parmesan yet because I'm going to add in my pasta. And if a little of the water goes in, it is all good, baby, because that's just gonna add more flavor, more of that starchiness that's gonna create a beautiful sauce. Okay, so pasta's added in. I'm just gonna start mixing everything together. Oh, what did I say I was gonna do? I want to add my Parmesan because the heat kind of melts the Parmesan a little bit. And if you are a fan of Giada De Laurentiis like I am, she always says that the Parmesan sticks to the pasta and then the sauce sticks to the Parmesan, and it's just a bite of heaven. Look at how beautiful this looks. I want to add just a few shavings of Parmesan. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. So much color, and you can smell that garlic right away. It hits you. I'm gonna go in for a bite right from here. One of my favorite summertime pastas. And this, as it sits, is only gonna get better and better. Love it. I hope you guys give this a try. You can find the full recipe on my blog. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at _thebite. I hope you guys enjoyed this and definitely make this summer. No cook sauces are what's up when everything is fresh and in season like these. So I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching The Bite.